In this guide, we'll set up a welcome screen that shows personalized greetings to visitors depending on defined conditions. To begin, go to Dictionaries, Greetings, Welcome Screen and create a new screen. In this example, we will configure a seasonal congratulatory screen for female users for the 8th of March. First, we define the basic properties of the screen. We set its name, choose the appropriate aspect ratio depending on the target device, and define the period during which the screen will be active. In this case, it is configured for a single day, but in real scenarios this can be adjusted to any required timeframe. Next, we define the display conditions. The screen is set to show only to identified users, without limiting it to specific lists. We also apply a gender condition, so the screen will be displayed only to female visitors. Once the screen is saved, the Designer tab becomes available. This is where the visual layout is created. Here, we start by defining the background, uploading an image from the local computer. This background sets the visual context for the greeting screen. Then we add and arrange widgets, which are the building blocks of the interface. In this example, we use several key widgets: visitor photo, visitor information, welcome text, and a visitor list display. Each widget serves a different purpose and provides its own set of configuration options depending on the type of content it displays. At the same time, most widgets support basic settings such as font type and size, text color, and alignment. This helps maintain a consistent visual style across the screen. As we add each element, we can resize and position it on the screen to build a clear and balanced layout. This way, we gradually assemble the screen, combining different elements into a single, structured interface. After completing the layout, we can preview the screen and make any necessary adjustments to ensure the design looks correct and balanced. The next step is to create a welcome playlist, which defines how one or more welcome screens are organized and displayed on devices. In the playlist configuration, we define key parameters such as aspect ratio and operating mode, and adjust how the greeting experience behaves for visitors. Also, standby mode can be set to control what is displayed when no visitors are detected. To upload a video, go to System, Files. Click Add, select Video as the file type, and upload the file from the computer. Once the upload is complete, return to the playlist settings and assign this video as the standby mode content. After that, we add the created welcome screen to the list of welcome screens and define its position in the playback order. Once the playlist is ready, we move to Devices, where we create a new welcome screen device. Here, we specify the device name and activate it. After saving, the system automatically generates a URL that will be used to display the welcome screen on the target device. Before using it, we return to the playlist and open the Show on Devices tab. Here, we link the newly created device to the playlist. After saving all changes, the setup is complete. Now we return to the device and open the Settings tab to copy the generated URL. This link is then used on the target screen to display the welcome interface.